Imagine a world where drones scout your fields, AI predicts crop diseases before they strike, and every seed is planted with pinpoint accuracy. Welcome to the future of farming, powered by artificial intelligence. Farming is no longer just about soil and sweat. Meet the 24/7 farm assistant you never knew you needed. AI systems analyze satellite imagery, weather patterns, and soil sensors to detect threats like pests, diseases, or nutrient gaps, sometimes weeks before they're visible to the human eye. Last season, AI warned us about a fungus outbreak. We treated it early and saved 30% of our yield. Predictive analytics aren't just fancy buzzwords, they're saving farms from disaster. Meet agriculture's new MVP, the AI-powered drone. These flying robots don't just monitor crops, they prescribe solutions. Equipped with hyperspectral cameras and machine learning, drones deliver targeted treatments, slashing chemical use by 50% while boosting harvest. One California vineyard even cut water waste by 40% using drone-mapped irrigation plans. Precision farming means no more guesswork. AI tells farmers exactly where to plant, water, and harvest, down to the square meter. Variable rate seeding, smart irrigation, autonomous machinery. This is farming reimagined. And it's not just for big corporations. Smallholder farms in Kenya are now using $5 AI apps to predict rainfall and optimize planting. I used to rely on my grandfather's almanac. Now AI tells me when to plant, how much to water, and even which crops will sell best. It's like having a supercharged farming assistant. The future of agriculture is smart, sustainable, and driven by AI. Will you embrace the revolution? Hit subscribe to stay ahead in the age of Agri-Tech, and let us know in the comments, would you trust a drone to manage your crops? Like this video if you believe tech can feed the world, and share it with someone who's ready to farm smarter, not harder.